Hi, it's Heather Andrews, the Thoughtful Gardener with Gardening Know-How. We're super excited to have you join us on this journey as monarchs have recently embarked in the longest migration of any insect on Earth, as the shorter summer days and cooler fall nights have created a change that has caused the monarchs to do something that no generation before have done. This super generation is described as rivers in the sky, sometimes appearing as clouds like a storm on a weather map. Their antennae act as a compass, guiding them along an invisible map, traveling the same journey that their great-grandparents did just last fall. Clustered together, hundreds of butterflies come together on wings larger than previous generations, and those wings carry them up to 100 miles per day. Imagine being a butterfly and you're landing in a monarch way station like this one, and you're nectaring and laying eggs for that final leg of the journey.